get out of here. Probably straight through here on the left. I'll see the Jeep.
So yeah.
Jeep follows, which it should.
But I heard about this town being cute and things to see, but between the wandering and the dumpiness of it.
Continue 400 feet to the end of the street, then turn right.
Turn right, that's the wrong way. I guess it's the way we came in. Now we came in from the left.
Turn right on Pavilion Lane, then take the first left.
Okay, the left up here, that's the way we came in.
Oh, this must be Pavilion Lane. They keep calling it Pavilion Lane, but it's Park.
Change the name, eh?
Yeah.
That
Turn
was a
left
sorry
on
KOA.
West Milwaukee Avenue.
That was a sorry KOA.
Yeah. So Brenda said, she said, I thought, or Jenna, one of the two said, I thought KOAs had to be up to a certain standard. I'm like, I don't know.
Yeah.
This one was not. Terrible
Alright,
part of the
to the
town.
left up here. After we get across the railroad tracks. Okay. On the road again.
In 1.5
Back on the
miles,
interstate.
turn left on I-90 West.
I-90 West. So this is Deer Lodge. Name of a town called Deer Lodge. Well, that was a working Sunday. That's all we wanted to do anyway, was to recover and wash clothes and get some hookups and recover for the next adventure. Man.
West.
Okay. Turn left on I-90 West. We can handle that. Freeway entrance. No. So it's pretty here, baby. How's your breakfast?
Good.
Good instant breakfast. Instant protein bar, whatever that thing is.
Yeah.
Man, look at this landscape. So, we at Jim and Mary's at about 12:30. Plus 30 minutes for fuel and propane, so we'll get there about 1 probably. Very pretty. Man. Yep. Well, you can see the stream over here. The creek we've been running alongside, but very nice. Man. Oh yeah, very pretty. Motorhomes and few motorcycles, and look at this.
Yeah.
The colors just bouncing. You know, they just spring out at you.
Yeah.
The oranges and the greens are just
Wow.
vivid.
This is
Look at
pretty.
it, come around the turn, you
Long
see the
view and
creek again, or the stream. Man,
very pretty.
it's right through. Looks like Northwest now. Almost looks like British Columbia to me. These trees and the mountains. So I guess we'll stop right here at the pilot. Hopefully they got propane too. Man. Keep right to I-90 West. Truck
looks like it.
Okay, this isn't it. This looks
No.
like a blower.
Well, if we
Turn
had-
left on Sparkler Lane.
if we had named our RV, we could say so-and-so is getting a bath, but
Yep.
since we haven't,
We can't back up, so we need to make a
do
decision.
you want
where
to
I'm
just
going.
stop here and get out and ask?
Yeah, that's what we'll do.
That's inconvenient.
It's recording.
Motorhome getting clean. Big old truck wash. Tony has to drive through it and try not to hit anything. I know. It's terrible. You can't see a darn thing. Are these yellow lights mean stop?
This
Is that what
proceed
she
up
said?
to 'em. I
Oh,
think
up
so.
to them. This thing was so filthy. He's still saying come forward. Come forward. I guess straight, straight, straight. Straight. Keep going. Watch the mirror over here. Did he tell you to stop?
Yeah, he said stop.
Oh, your
Yeah.
mirror was. But
You weren't. I wasn't recording. The red. You had to hit the red button, babe. I just hit it. It wasn't even recording.
I hadn't hit the red button. When I
Well,
did
it wasn't recording. You didn't hit. You didn't have it recording then.
I know. I handed it to you to record.
Did you turn it off before you gave it to me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't get him. Maybe I can show him in the mirror.
Lost satellite reception.
I thought it was recording when you gave it to me.
No.
Oh, okay.
Get those bugs off those mirrors. They are disgusting.
Alright.
Off the
He
windshield.
makes you feel clean, doesn't it, babe?
Yeah. Oh, yowza. That was close. Watch your mirror. Okay, sorry. This is tight. Whoa. Goodness gracious.
Should turn the wipers on for this.
Why does she want the wipers on? Whoa.
Yeah. 101 degrees. Can't believe this. Can you, babe?
No.
All right, we finally set up at Jim and Mary's RV. End of a long day here. Quite an experience. When we got here, we decided to go through an RV car wash. In the middle of the car wash, our refrigerator started beeping, and we thought they just put the pilot light out, but it wouldn't come on. It was totally off. So after we tried everything, we called our RV repair people, and they said they'd come tomorrow. minimum labor with the service call was $200 plus parts plus labor at $100 an hour. So I went on the internet and checked, and it appears that there's a circuit board that you can reset with a strong magnet. So I went to Napa, bought a strong magnet for $8. Came back, followed the procedures I found on one of these to-dos on internet, and lo and behold, I reset the circuit board. Kathy had already researched the manual, and it said with the error code we were getting, which was a LIPO error code, it says it's not serviceable by user. So, but anyway, the user fixed it, and we're happy as we can be now. We visited Walmart local already, and we visited local
Famous
RV
Dave's
dealer.
Barbecue.
We went to Famous Dave barbecue. I had ribs and fried wings, and she had a salad. So,
And a beer.
and a beer. And then after that, we went to the RV dealer, the largest RV dealer in Montana, and ordered us a part or two. Kathy doesn't want to be on. And got to go back Wednesday to see if I can get my cell phone booster working.
No, I was showing the brochure.
Oh, the brochure, and Kathy's dreaming.
Nah.
She's just
I
looking
like
for
ours. We
new
looked at
features.
some RVs.
But feel like we had a very productive day now. We went to Walmart and bought 4 bags of ice. We were ready to unload our refrigerator until that magnet trick it actually worked. I can't believe it. So I called the RV repair people back and said, we don't need you to come tomorrow unless this thing quits overnight, which I don't think it is. So we are camped, set up, a very nice campground. Breeze is blowing, so we'll be here until Friday. 3 more days, right, Kath?
Yep.
And then we're heading out to Glacier, KOA and Glacier. We'll get some.
But from here we might check Rich Ranch and Sealy Lake and
Oh yeah.
Bison Range.
She's always got something to do. So maybe tomorrow after we rest up, we can start exploring again. Don't ever get cell phone signal, but I'm going to try to get my cell phone booster working so we can get some videos up.